Oh, hi. Come on in. Welcome to Tea Tuesday. How are y'all doing? I'm doing great. I'm drinking water and cutting up some onion. So stay tuned. I'm going to cook and I'm going to install a backsplash. So here we go. I hope everybody has been having a wonderful week so far. I was doing my weekly shopping at Walmart and I saw these three items right next to each other, you know, on your little grocery thing. It says my items. And I thought all three of those look like they'd be really good together. So that's what I'm doing for dinner. This is veggie spirals, mixed vegetables, mushrooms for the protein, and the usual garlic and onion. I'm going to throw basil in there and all that stuff. All right, so here we go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put all of these ingredients in this thing right here for my air fryer. Going to throw some basil that's fresh. I know basil is something that mostly you put on after you've cooked things, but I do it at the beginning sometimes and sometimes at the end, and garlic's in there and onions are in there. We're doing it different this time. I just go with the flow. Why not? What else is there to do anyway? I'm going to put some salt. This is chunky because of the moisture in here that I've had for the past forever. That's why I'm using electric heat and not propane, because I've been swimming in my RV. This is salt. There we go. This is going all over the place. Mrs. Dash, what are you doing between the dash? What are you doing in between the dash? The dash, the dash, the dash is the most important thing on the gravestone. That's it. Yes, sure. Now, I'm going to take some of this. In it goes. It is that right there. And then I'm going to kind of mix it all together so the flavors will get all in there. I absolutely love my air fryer because I can bake in my thing and I don't have to use propane in my oven. It's wunderbar. Cutting the butter up a little bit. Pretend butter. It's plant-based. Ooh, that smells really good. I'm going to put some thyme and turmeric in there. I've been putting turmeric in everything lately to help with old age junk called pain. And it doesn't alter the flavor of anything that I've noticed. It just makes it orange. And then some thyme. It's funny how we all have our special spices that we use for things. That's why I like to watch different cooking shows, because you get to see different kinds of things that people use. All right, so what I'm going to do is clean this up. I'm going to put this in here. I'm going to put it on bake. 355 sounds good. Time, we're going to go 20 minutes and start. There we go. I'll see you in 20. There it is. Let's give that angle a try. That is really good. That is really good. That's really good. The butter really adds a good flavor. It's got a sweetness to it too. I'm not sure where that's coming from. I want to show you guys something that I use in my house to keep mice out of my house. And I know that they work because prior to plugging these in, I could hear mice in my walls. And as soon as I plugged these in, the noises stopped, and I've never heard them since, and I've had them plugged into my house going on 2 years now. and I've not had a mouse in my house. So this is my power station. It's a 500 watt Blue Eddy, and I want to plug this in. I want to show you how much wattage this thing uses. Nada. It doesn't use any wattage whatsoever. Go to Ace, go to Walmart, wherever you can get yourself a couple of these. They come usually 2 in a pack. And plug this in to your power station in your van, and you're not going to have any rodents trying to eat your wires or any of that. This sends a signal out to all around the area, and this will keep them at bay. I really wanted to show this to you guys because it'll be a game changer for a lot of people that have to deal with mice. But you can see it isn't taking any wattage to run this thing. So there's my little helpful Hannah hint for this Tea Tuesday. Here is the backsplash all done. Everything's put back in place. It looks okay. Leave a comment below what you think of this really cheap backsplash. I hope you enjoyed the Tea Tuesday today. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I will catch you next time.